In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to instantly fade any filter in Photoshop using a forgotten shortcut. Knowing this will allow you to fade any filter instantly without using masks or layer opacity. Okay, so I have my image ready. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Feel free to try any filter. I'm going to use Gaussian blur, so go to Filter, Blur, then Gaussian blur. I will just set the radius at 2, then press OK. Then immediately after applying it, press Ctrl or Command plus Shift and F. This fade dialog box will appear. So now you can easily adjust the opacity of the filter result by pulling this slider. Plus you can also change the blend mode of the actual filter itself, which is super powerful. Gaussian blur, for instance, with a soft light blend mode creates a dreamy look. Hopefully this quick tip proves useful. Try it on your next project. I'm Kevin from aquastarcreative.com. Thanks for watching.